everyone, welcome back. Do you remember those semi-dried tomatoes that we made the last time? Well, today I'm going to show you one of the quick and easy ways that I use the semi-dried tomatoes. I either eat them as they are, as a snack, or I make quick sandwiches with them. So what I'm going to show you now is one of the easiest recipes. It's just a sandwich. It's a salami and cheddar sandwich with the semi-dried tomatoes. One that I really love. So stay tuned. Come with me as I show you this very quick and easy recipe. This is the semi-dried tomatoes that we made last time. If you haven't seen that video yet, please click the link below. And here is the cheese. I just used some simple cheese. And the sliced cheese is the easiest for the sandwich. And then the salami, any meat kind would be okay. And then the bun, any bun or bread. So when I'm ready, I fry my salami, then I put the buns in it as well, just to kind of warm it up and get it toasty. But also sometimes I just put it in the oven depending on the time that I'm working with. And then after that, I just assemble. And here is the finished product. I put the salami on, the cheese, and the semi-dried tomatoes. I can't wait to taste some of this. Yummy.